young niggas try to have it, that flow. Lil Zo poppy knocking straight through that door. 954 one time, do your sense. Put the car in park, run up on the stick man. Run up on the stick man, you get clapped in the park. It's not a safe place to be out in the dark. I'm from the city where we do that code, that bop. About to make you beat bop all up down the block. The block hop, something like some switch on contraband. Them boys do the full train, then I'm running man. 954 rap when it.
Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I will be making garlic chicken pasta and cheesy garlic bread. If you're interested in finding out how I made this tasty and simple meal, keep on watching. The first thing I do is clean my chicken by rinsing it under really hot water. Then I add my seasonings, fresh lime juice, and garlic paste. Feel free to season your meat however you want. For extra garlic flavor, I add in this garlic butter sauce and then I mix it in. This is what's going to take the meal to a next level. It has such a great garlic taste. Here's a quick overview of the ingredients I will be using, and the pasta of choice is angel hair. To prepare your vegetables, you want to go ahead and rinse them under the water really well, and go ahead and chop them and set them off to the side until you're ready to use them. I'm using the rocking cutting technique, which is a tip I learned back in culinary school, which helps to give me more control over the knife. You can create a really fine paste the more you rock the knife back and forth. If you try this technique after watching my video, please share with me in the comments down below. I'm chopping, I'm chopping, I'm chopping, 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 I'm chopping, I'm chopping, I'm cutting bell peppers, yellow peppers, I'm chopping, I'm really chopping, quick stopping. I love using the containers the vegetables come in as a little garbage can. It helps me to stay clutter free. I just throw in all of my scrap pieces that I won't be needing. Now for the what? You guessed it, that good old garlic butter sauce. Go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of butter in a cap full of oil, stirring all together to make sure that the flavors are nice and married together. Then you're going to add your heavy whipping cream, salt and pepper, and mix everything all up. I added some flour and Parmesan cheese off camera to turn the sauce into a roux, which is a thickening agent, and then I gradually stir in more heavy cream. Add some salt to some boiling water for the pasta. The salt speeds up the boiling process and adds flavor to the noodles. Now's the time to throw in all your veggies. The bacon bits are totally optional, but definitely worth it, guys. Trust me. Now you can add your spinach and a cream sauce of your choice. I ended up using this 4-cheese Alfredo sauce. In a bowl, I added butter, garlic sauce, garlic, as well as Italian seasoning, and this is going to be for the sauce that's going to go on the garlic bread. To ensure the bread is cooked evenly through, I pull the biscuits apart in half so that it's not doughy in the middle. I flatten the bread and spread it out to make it more pliable. Then with the kitchen brush, I paint the butter all over each bread. Here's a better angle for you guys. This smells so amazing. I wish you guys can get a whiff. It's almost ready, but not quite. We just have to be a little bit more patient. The pasta is halfway done, guys. Don't be stingy on the cheese now. Go ahead and add cheese directly in the center and then fold all of the sides up until this takes the shape of a ball. Then you want to go ahead and brush excess butter on top and add extra cheese. Again, guys, like I said, don't be stingy with the cheese. This is cheesy garlic bread. Yep, that's right. Fold up all the sides just like as you see I'm doing here until it closes. Brush some of that good old garlic butter sauce. By now, guys, I'm sure you can tell I love saying good old garlic butter sauce. And then, of course, guys, don't be stingy with that cheese. Go ahead and add some extra cheese on top.
Stacking my cheddar, stacking my cheddar, stacking my cheddar. I got cheese, stacking my cheddar, stacking my cheddar, stacking my cheddar, stacking my cheddar. Cheese, cheese. I got cheese, I got cheese, stacking my cheddar, stacking my cheddar.
Now that the noodles are done boiling, take it off the stove and drain. You want your pasta cooked al dente.
I got all types of cheese, all different types of cheese. Kobe.
Alright guys, so here you have it finally. My famous, I bet y'all thinking, dang, all her dishes is famous? And the answer to that question is yes. Yes it is. But anyways, back to what I was saying. Here we have it, my garlic chicken pasta with my cheesy garlic bread. I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe. And if you try this recipe out, please comment down below. You can't tell me that pull apart don't look good.
So good.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how good?
I said 10.
Really?
But it's only 10 I love. There's nothing I can do like,
I'm excited to try it. Is it spicy?
Well, I didn't think it was probably like a small itty bitty bit. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow.
Flavorful?
Yes.
Thanks again for tuning in to Slay Nation.